How to enable or disable automatically answer incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now go down and tap on answering and ending calls. Then tap on answer automatically. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. And here, when you turn it on, you can set the phone to automatically answer after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can set a custom time. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.